What's good, guys? Mike Moo here. This is the ARRMA Granite Voltage entry-level, ready-to-run radio-controlled car. I'm actually driving it around here in the park. A lot of kids are running around, just enjoying the car, driving around, and chasing after it. Just the wonder of this little vehicle running around is just so much fun for everyone. So this is an entry-level, ready-to-run, like high-performance radio-controlled vehicle. It actually goes up to 25 miles per hour if you use an upgraded battery pack, which is not included in this link bundle, but you can get the lithium-ion battery pack upgrade on here. Now, by ready to run, when you purchase this, basically all you have to do is charge up the included 6-cell nickel metal hydride battery and then plug everything together, power it on, and you are ready to run, hence called the ready to run. This is 1/10 scale, and that means it's a relatively big monster truck radio control car. Now, out of the box in the $99 price range, it'll go up to 20 plus miles per hour. I didn't actually test this, but just look at the speed of this. It has a brush motor. And if you want to do the upgrade to lithium ion, I'll have links down below on what it is that I got. And, you know, they're really not too expensive. Just make sure you got to get the right adapter for it as well. They even include batteries for the remote control vehicle. And I have to say, this is the most fun I've had in a while. As I just remember as a kid getting a chance to play with one of these from my local neighbor just for a few seconds, and I still remember it to this day. Anyway, here's the unboxing, details about what's inside, and my first impressions of it. If you're interested in this, please check out my links down below. This comes in and out of stock on Amazon. This is the Horizon Hobby ARRMA Granite Voltage ready to run 1/10 brushed monster truck. That is a complete mouthful. Let's see what's in the box. Oh wow. All right, so pretty good packaging. I mean, it's nice and basic. This is ready to run. And wow, look, it's completely assembled. They weren't kidding. All right, cover, just basically just a cheap little plastic on top, but we don't really care about that. What we care about is all the stuff down here. And man, this is beefy. So this is a great, cheap, ready-to-run guy that can go up to 20 miles per hour. And all these pieces are replaceable with higher-end quality pieces. These are all plastic, but, you know, sufficiently strong to really get a little bit of dirt in there. Look at that. And you can probably get all these parts all the way directly from Hobby Lobby, where I purchased this guy from. It's also available on Amazon from time to time. Let's check out the remote controller. Again, this is also ready to run, ready to go. Don't need to do any pairing process. Also a very basic. It's got foam on here. Some adjustments, channel 1, channel 2. Basically for forward, reverse, and then looks like it's got a bunch of other settings on here too, so that you can adjust. Looks like this would probably, oh look, uses AA batteries. I don't believe that's included. Let's see what we got here. We have, looks like a tool, little tool to adjust some things here. ARRMA Get Started Guide, Mega SRS Vehicle. Oh, look at that. It actually comes with AA batteries already. Comes with a 1800 milliamp hour 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride battery. I've already got lithium ion battery parts for this to run a little bit longer. It's got the ARRMA ATX 101 transmitter, nickel metal hydride battery charger. And there you go. Remove car batteries, charge car batteries, install AA batteries, fully charge the battery, install the charger batteries in the car. And then here's some rookie mode, how to turn down the top speed, use rookie mode and practice your skills. So Pro is, that's channel 2. That's the one over here. Pro is all the way over there. Intermediate is maybe turn that to the middle. and then Rookie is all the way down slow. So this controls, I believe, the speed. The steering neutral setting was over here. This is for steering. I kind of wish that they had little stickers that you'd stick on the remote so you can just check it out. How to drive, connect the ESC and power on, install the car battery, controller on first, car on second, and then now get treading, and then you install the car body. All right, and when you power off the car first, then the controller second, and you store it by removing and unplugging the battery pack. Here's some more information about the control settings there on the remote control, including the steering trim. This is pretty much what you want to be able to see. I have a little chart nearby of. Okay, so these pins are just pull pins. Come out like that. Very simple to do. They have similar things like this too. Actually, race cars. All right, see, everything's all installed. Actually, the battery packs. What the heck, the battery pack's already in here. Guess we push this down, get the bit. Look at that. Wow. They don't mess around with this tray. All right, so battery tray goes in like so. You got the simple connector over there, and this is okay, so if you look really closely here, you can choose between which kind of battery pack you have. The one on the left is nickel metal hydride, middle is lithium ion, third is lithium polymer. On off switch is right here. I'm gonna go charge this guy up. All right, so I got the unit charged. Now, just need to plug in this battery pack here. This is an EC3 plug, which is very different from what I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to have to get some adapters in order to get this working properly. Hopefully I got that in now. Get this into the cage. Positive, negative over here. And I plug this guy in. All right. Okay, close the door. All right. Still got to get the batteries out from here. It's nice that they include batteries. They typically don't, even if they're cheap batteries. This is a cheap, simple little charger. Of course, this is going to put out 8.4 volts at 500 milliamps, which is pretty darn slow. So I suggest you get an upgrade and get new batteries. Make sure you get the converters for the batteries. Otherwise, you're going to be waiting a while. Like me, I had the wrong adapter. This will plug in. There's an orientation on here on which way the batteries go if you look real closely at it. Positive, positive on this side. Like this. Close-up shot. Okay, let's see if this really is as advertised. Ready to run. Put the cover on. No, actually, I got to power it on, then put the cover on. This is really just a cheap little flimsy little cover. Feel free to change it, do whatever you want with it. So here's the power switch over here. Make sure this is in the appropriate setting. All the way over here by default is already a nickel metal hydride mode. Basically, this is not a push switch. You switch it to the left to the on. All right, so there you go. Hold it. You hear a little beep. It's on. Whoa. And you power the guy. Wow, that is pretty powerful. All right. Now we shall put the cover on. I can find out where I put the cover. They weren't kidding about that speed. Definitely feels powerful. Put the cover on. Just going to put it on 2 different parts. Okay. Right, left. Let's see. Whoa. Right, left. So that was absolutely the setup in a nutshell. I really think this is a great package at $100. There's not a whole lot that you can find wrong with it, except that this is kind of like the gateway drug into the whole RC car thing. Every single part on this unit has a part number and is completely replaceable and upgradable. Now, if you become a super RC car enthusiast, some of them say chances are you're going to want to upgrade just about everything on this eventually. And if you're really hardcore with this whole unit, getting replacement parts and everything, you can spend several $100s, then you have a completely different machine. Or you can also look at it this way. After you play around with this, you decide that this is just going to be roughly a toy. You're not going to get too serious into it. You're not going to invest several $100s into this entire hobby. It's just going to be great fun throughout the whole time. And if you just want to get some replacement parts, there is a whole entire parts list in Exploded View so that you know exactly what you need to get in order to replace the parts or upgrade the parts. Now, if you look on my link or you just check out the whole ARRMA scene online or on the Amazon store, you'll see that they sell machines that go all the way up to 70 miles per hour, like these serious RC car machines. So this runs the entire gamut. It's not one of those fly-by-night companies that just releases some units and you can't get replacement parts forever. You can get these replacement parts just about at any major hobby store. They're that big of a brand. And since I'm completely new to the scene, I didn't know that. But I'm quite impressed. And also, a lot of these parts are actually made in Taiwan, which just happened to be where I'm made from. All right, that's it for this video. Give it a like, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.